Today we'll be installing a new solution for the 2021 and up Toyota Camry, the 107-T08 and the 109-T08. Start by removing the two trim panels from the center of the dash. Then remove the vent trim panel. After, unclip and disconnect the climate control panel. After, unclip the panel located on the right side of the steering wheel. Then, unclip and remove the middle vent trim panel. Unclip the radio trim cover from the main panel, then disconnect the connectors from the vent panel. Afterward, remove the four 10mm screws holding the radio chassis. Then, remove and unplug all the connectors from the radio chassis. For the assembly, attach the two Pioneer brackets to the Pioneer screen. These brackets are marked with a 9 for the 9-inch screen, while the 7-inch brackets that fit the 7-inch screens do not have markings. Attach the 4 Phillips screws to the screen. Attach the left and right brackets to the sides of the radio chassis in the proper positions using the Pioneer factory chassis screws. After the brackets are mounted to the chassis, we are ready to mount it to the housing. In order to do that, we need to place the screen into the housing by running the cable through the back of the housing, then connecting it to the screen. After that, we can now place the screen on the housing. Use the 4 screws that are included in the kit to mount the screen to the housing, making sure the locators are lining up. While lining the holes up, attach the housing to the chassis brackets using the 4 screws. Attach the clip legs to the housing. Attach the 6 orange clips provided to the trim panel, then clip the trim panel onto the assembled housing. Note, there are separate trim panels for the vehicles with factory 7-inch screens and factory 9-inch screens. For our install, we are going to use the 109-T08. Snap the new aftermarket radio and kit into place. To finish this install, reassemble the dash in reverse order of disassembly to complete the installation, making all the proper connections. Visit metraonline.com or accessinterface.com for antenna adapters, audio video, and steering wheel control interface options. For any more information on this product or other brands, you can visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, or follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.